So hey guys, sorry about that. I'm going to be doing a video where I create looks of people. So I'm going to be starting with this girl, Havana. I'm not sure. Okay, she's a level 8. Okay, never mind. I just thought this idea. I was like, someone changed their look. Maybe I could do a video on creating looks of people. I don't know why, because I'm so bored. Like, people are so mean to me. Say, oh, MSP is only for the people who are like bored out of their minds. Like, I like MSP. Leave me alone, please. She hasn't got very many hairs, okay. I'm just gonna go with that. I'm going with this one. She hasn't got very many stuff at all. No, I think she's just started actually. So far I'm like, she's got little tops though, so I like this top. I don't deserve kindness or love. Okay. So I like everyone makes MSP about depressing stuff now, and I bet you can't even hear what I'm saying because I'm so quiet today. Bam, son. Oh damn. Okay, all of these shoes are quite ugly, no offense, but you know, she doesn't have all the stuff. It's really bugging me. Okay, this is actually quite cute. Okay, that's weird. There we go. So I'm just gonna do that. I know these looks might be very basic, but you know. Cute. I'm just trying to be nice, so like, leave me alone. And no, I'm not doing this video because I want all the fame, but I just thought of this idea randomly because, you know. So I'm really looking for my piggy bank, but I can't get VIP. I'm gonna get VIP on my other account though. I get VIP on here because my old account got hacked ages ago. I didn't even tell my password, which is so annoying. Oh, don't tell me what to do. Look at this girl. I'm just doing everyone done that. She keeps said, who wants VIP for you? No, because it was probably like, you know, it's 65 quid or whatever. You're not gonna pay 65 quid for someone else to get VIP. I knew she has it herself, but like, you know, like, I don't think you're gonna get it from anyone else, honey. Oh, I wish I could get rid of her eyes, they're so ugly. Okay, looks like we just have to wait. That's cute. She has this hair. Oh my god, I love this hair. It's so cute. Yeah, I'm just sticking with this hair because this hair looks so cute. She's wearing this already, so I don't think I'm gonna put that on. Oh my god, this is cute. This is cute. I'm just gonna see if she's got any type of tights. Never mind. Oh, that's cute. Oh my god. That is cute. I'd buy that. I'm just gonna name this cute because it is cute. I'm just gonna see how much it is, like, quickly, and then, like, you know, because I really want to buy this. I mean, it has VIP, but really cute. Please look my look. Is that all it is? There's one here. Ooh. So if I get VIP, I can get those. That is cute. Maybe with a different hair, actually. Maybe with this hair. That is cute. Oh my god, yes. That is so cute. I get that. I'm going, yes, slay, honey. Sorry, I'm cringe. Okay, so I'm gonna make a look for this girl, Rajin 37. I don't know how you say her name. By the way, guys, this is so random, but if any of you have a new Snapchat update, I actually feel sorry for you because like, it's so bad. Like, I got it and I didn't think it was that bad to start with. Like, I didn't think it would be as bad as it is, that's what I mean. Like, it's so bad, I actually can't. No offense, but half of these hairs are ugly. one so far. Okay. I want to make this like longer than like 10 minutes, but then it takes forever to upload. And then half of you are probably just gonna get bored. She actually has a lot of her. Oh, never mind. So it's either that one, or that one. I'm gonna go at the end. Oh, never mind. I saw something. Oh, this is slight. I wish her skin wasn't so white. Also, guys, comment down below if you want me to like go on your account and like create like a new look for your face. But like literally I got this idea off of a girl, like, and she's so nice. So like I'll create a new look. I'm not saying you have to, I'm just saying if you want me to, then I will. You know, it's just a random idea. Just saying. Anyway, let's get on with this. Oh, she has some rares. Oh yeah, it's rare week soon. I don't know when. I think it might be March. I don't know. People like saying, oh yeah, when's rare week? Like, I've got to save up for rare week. Can't speak. I'm just gonna go with this stuff. I can't be bothered to go through all week. I'm not like matching. Oh my god, that's cute. But where's the top for that? I'm not saying that top is weird, no offense. Really weird? Well, I definitely know that this won't go on for longer than 10 minutes, because otherwise it's going to take like ages. My brother died. I'm just going to message him, hey, are you okay? Because like, I'm not sure whether he has, like, some people just make that up for like people to give them like, I don't know what you call it. It's probably like symphony. I don't know, I can't think. Right, I'm just gonna look through your vlogs. I'm gonna be nice and send a kiss because I can be nice like that, or I can be horrible. Joking, JK, I'm not really horrible, but I'm gonna message this boy after, and you know, just obviously he's not alright. Right guys, I'll be back when I've finished the look, because I think it might take a bit longer. Okay, so I'll see you in a second. So guys, I decided to go with this. I think it's quite cute. It didn't take me that long, but you know, I thought it might have took longer, so that's why I paused it and then came back. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna message that boy in a minute, and you know, we're gonna have a little chat, even though I think we're both taken, but you know, I'm just being nice. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.